What's going on, everybody? This is day 56 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've ran like 3 businesses for the past 3.5 years that I've been growing substantially in the last couple of months. And so I want to help you guys, anyone that's interested in business, see my ups and downs and see if it's something that you want to get into, or if you need any help, let me know. So actually, the morning started off pretty amazing. I'm kind of lit up in the heart right now. So if you watched my video yesterday, I'll put it right here. I had a guy reach out to me for a decal for his 370Z. It's a 50th anniversary. If you don't know what 370Z is, go look it up. It's a really beautiful looking car. And he's got the 50th anniversary. He's like, well, I don't have the decal to put under the turn signal. And I was like, yeah, let me help you out. And so I think this guy came through my Google ad from yesterday, which was really cool. And he goes, so I got it all set up this morning. I double checked with him the mock-up if he likes it. He's like, he calls me, he's like, dude, this thing's amazing. It looks perfect. He's like, how much do you want? And I was like, cause it's a weird custom size. I'm like $20. And he's like, I'm giving you 50. And I'm like, oh, no, it's fine. He's like, no, please, like you're on it, you're calling me, blah, blah, blah. And you know, that's like a good thing with being persistent and not caring if it's a $5 decal or a $500 decal. You just treat every customer the same. And that's what I did, of course. And so he's not budget. He's like, I'm giving you $50. So I'm giving him 2 of those decals. And he's like, listen, you need to start selling these because there's only like 50 in existence and these people are gonna want him. He's like, not only that, every 370Z has these turn signals, so you can do different things under there. I was like, oh man, that's pretty cool. I didn't think about that. So I'm gonna go invoice him the $50 and he's gonna get these soon. I'm very stoked, very excited. I'm like very blessed that this guy just trusted me. And then also he's just a really, really good dude. So shout out. But yeah, so that's the beginning of the day. We're gonna go make those decals. All right, so we decided to use a Cricut machine on this because they were such small decals. I could just use the Cricut. Sometimes it's just easier to use a Cricut machine. The design layout's pretty easy to use and it makes a single file color, which is super easy. And then weeding this out was actually painless. It took seconds, but I just wanted to take my time, you know. All right, so the reason why there's a space in between this, of course, is because the turn signals are a circle and they're 3 inches. So I had to make a custom size on this. So if the turn signal is just right here, I think it looks pretty cool. I really like it. And so I'm gonna put these on my website as well. So if any of you have a 370Z and specifically a 50th anniversary, I'll have them on my website in the links in the description. And the reason why he was so excited is no one's making these decals. So I will be the first to make these public for people to purchase. All right, so now I'm just adding transfer tape over this so they can apply it to the 370Z. And now I'm cutting out that order that I got yesterday as well from the veteran-owned store. It was pretty exciting. This is my first one. I also took a lot of time on this one and then also put transfer tape, packed up the box, and we basically packaged up both of those orders and got them sent out. All right, so our homepage clicks today, we're at 231 clicks at 4 cents for a $10 daily budget. So we're at $8.79 for today. So for Google, our cost per click went down. So now it's at $1.37. We've gotten 3 clicks, 46 impressions, and the cost at $4.10. All right, so we've had 65 visitors on our website today. We had 1 add to cart, 3 checked out, and 2 sessions converted. And I can explain this for tomorrow. I got 2 sales today. Just be on the lookout for tomorrow, and I'll show you how much money we made off of those 2. But yeah, 65 visitors, not bad for 1 added cart, not bad. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. I went to the gym and then I came back here and kind of just relaxed. Let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made. All right, so eBay was pretty bad at $6.36, like pretty rough. We made a TikTok shop order at $18.26 from the mug boats. And so we also made $639 on Amazon yesterday. So we have a total of $664, which is, you know, pretty good. And so our total this month is $16,047. You know, we would like to be at $26,000, but we already know that it's just going to take a little bit of time. So I appreciate everyone watching. And if you don't know, I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So if you're not subscribed and you like videos like this, subscribe down below until I hit 30K, which is going to be super exciting. And I can't wait for all of you to be there. And yeah, please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video for the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you all tomorrow for Monday. Happy Memorial Day to anyone that served in general. Just happy Memorial Day tomorrow for day 57. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day.